Discount Shoe Repair. Yeah, hi, that's Ralph. How are you? What's wrong with the person, my dear? In your country where we come, we don't have too much stuff. We got a brand new strip. Why don't you bring it over and I'll take a look. I'm pretty sure we can handle. How's that? I was about 16 and I remember my mother's sister, she bought me a pair of boots from Switzerland. It's 114 East Washington Street, off Salina, between Salina and Washington. And I was so happy. So you know what? Someday maybe I can fix shoes and my wish came true. No, thanks for calling. Bye-bye now. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Somebody doesn't know Discount Shoe Repair and they don't know you and they're walking by the street.
They know me.
And they
They know me, never mind. I've been over since 1975. They know me. Go ahead. No. I came from Italy many years ago. We came from south, from Calabria. Second day I came in America, my uncle took me to his shop and I liked what he was doing, so I ended up with him, worked with him since 1975, and since then I'm still here. It's not easy. Things that people, you come in America and you find money on the tree. It's not true because you gotta work hard no matter any place you go. Shoemaker is making shoes. Shoe repair, he repairs shoes. Like if you need soles, you need heels, you need shiny, you need laces. Like you repair your car. You don't make a new car, but you repair the car. No different. Not bad.
Why do you think like you work with shoes and not like wood or paint? I mean, you're kind of like an artist.
Oh, that's a very tough question to answer. I don't know what to say. I just like to fix shoes. I don't know, every day it's a challenge. Some day you do something you've never done it before, and in the end you say, wow, I don't know I can do this job on this type of shoes. Not bad. That's pretty good. When you finish the job, I say, wow, that looks pretty damn good. It's before and after. We're professional or what? We know what we're doing or what?
Like when you're out and about, are you always looking at people's feet and judging their shoes? And
how do you know? Sometimes when you go to church, when people bend over, you know, and say they pray, and I look at their body and say, wow, this guy needs heels, this guy needs soles. Italian shoes, the leather is so soft, it's so fine. Like money, feels so soft, it was beautiful. Fratelli Rossellini. This is my nice Italian leather, yeah. Nice upper leather, it's beautiful. This $1,000 shoe. Made in France by an Italian guy in Vienna. It makes no sense. Louis Vuitton.
what kind of shoes do you wear?
I wear a Skechers. I'm on my feet all day, so. Oh yeah. I wear my old shoes for years because after a while they break them in to your feet and they feel so comfortable. You know, when you buy new shoes, it's very hard to break them in sometimes. You got some shoes that feel comfortable on your feet, you want to fix them.
Are you able to earn a living just by like your shoe repair, or do you have to do other work?
Oh no, you make a good living.
My daughter's getting married.
Oh, congratulations!
Thank you.
Great,
Thank you.
congrats.
Look at that.
How many kids you got?
Four.
Four. Oh
Four.
my God! Oh,
Number two is getting married Saturday. So
like I say, you buy an expensive shoes and you pay $300-400. You want to fix that.
Okay.
So you're gonna look the best in a way. It's gonna shine.
Not better than her, but.
All right. I can't complain because thank God I'm busy every day.
Greatly appreciate it. Be good.
Bye bye now. Thank you. And I do a lot of stuff people they won't do. Like I fix a handbag, and I just fix a handbag. I fix leather coat. I do a little bit of everything.
Oh, okay.
Just for you.
Ah.
Let's see if it works. All right. I got Friday.
Friday's fine.
Okay, thank you. It's a lot of work. You gotta be here. No retirement, no vacation. If you want to take a vacation, nothing comes in. But I don't mind because I told people when I want to take a day off, I put a sign on the window. I say, sorry, save your shoes. I'll be back tomorrow.
Wow. And now are
Give me a ticket.
No ticket, no wash.
Give me my ticket. Thank you. Thanks, Ralph. You're welcome.
I mean, I always talk to people when they come in. I welcome everybody, no matter who they are. And I always say, good morning, how are you? That's my policy.
Hello, young man. How are you?
Give me 5. Oh, yeah, a lot of regular. We fix the father and mother shoes, now we fix the kids' shoes. So that's very nice. It's like a traditional. You say Papa shoes or Grandpa?
Grandpa. Yep.
Oh, Grandpa shoes.
Yep.
All right, we'll fix the Grandpa shoes. You want to come back in an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take care.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank
See you
you.
in an hour.
So you think that you built up a kind of sense of community, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I think so.
Can you elaborate on that?
Yep. Yes. That's a good thing.
So I'm curious. What's the goat's name?
Tug. This Tug.
When did you take that picture?
There was they're pecking on me because I took the picture with the goat. Sometime I see it's cold. I said, "Did you like a cup of coffee?" Because in the back room I got a little kitchen. I'm making my own coffee. I ain't seen nothing, and I heard nothing. I know nothing. Little zucchero.
We love shoes. We bond over that. But he always is good. Like he'll give me like Italian cookies, pasta, whatever. He always has food here.
Salute.
I try to be friendly with everybody. For the cameraman here. Hey, cameraman here. Salute.
Salud.
Salute. Salute.
Yeah.
Good health.
Get on touch.
Right here at you.
I like to help people. Around January, it's cold in Syracuse. This guy go by, I'm front with torn out shoes, and I felt so bad. So I call him up, I said, sir, come in. And I said, what size shoes you wear? He said, I don't know. So I look in his feet, I'm pretty good. I bet you I can guess your size shoes. You wear size 10, right? I'm right or wrong? I'm good. You see that? I know. So I went in the back, I find a nice pair of boots. He put it on, he walked away. I never see him again. So the minute he left, I put a sign on the window, said, we do a shoe drive. People got any shoes you don't need it, you bring it over, fix, and I give it to the homeless. And I've been doing that since 12 years. And the year before, we collect over 37,000. People go by over here, they come in, I give it to them, and the rest we give it to the rescue mission. And they do a beautiful job.
Ralph has a heart of gold. He cares about everybody. He puts everybody first. Doesn't matter who you are. Ralph cares truly about each individual person here in Central New York.
So these will be some corny questions here.
Oh.
What do you think is the key to happiness?
Happiness, to make somebody else happy. The key to happiness is to make somebody else happy. I mean, you make somebody happy, you feel happy yourself. Good. You gotta smile.
Yeah, they're my favorite sandals. I was scared.
Let's see what we got in the back. Ooh. Now, close your eyes. Kind of 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, look at what you did.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. You made my day. I am so ridiculously happy.
Me too.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes, I'm telling everybody about you.
Okay, then
you
you
have a
do.
great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Another happy customer. Thank you, my dear.
Yeah, thank you.
those machines are almost 80, 90 years old, and they still run beautiful. The old stuff, they last forever. The only thing I can do on those machines, you gotta change the belt, they put lots of oil, and they last forever. Like anything else, they don't make nothing like many years ago. You know, I'm getting old. You know, I'm not young like before. I'm the last Mohegan. After me, that's it. It's all over. What are you gonna do? Nobody wants to take over anymore. So I had a couple of people that come in. They work a couple hours. One kid come over and I show him how to shine shoes. So he's shoe polish went on his hands and he tried to clean them up. He went like this. No. So he said, I'll see you tomorrow. So he never come back again. So since then, I said, you know what? What's use for me? Nobody wants to do this anymore. Okay. Oh, wow, it's like pulling teeth. I should get a job at the dentist and need any help, you know. Bring my plier and just put them in the mouth, pull.
What do you think you'd be doing if you weren't repairing shoes?
I always want to be a movie star. And it's right here now. Yeah, my wish came true. Gonna be a movie star. So you better be my bodyguard.
What is bigger than Ralphie's ego?
Yeah.
His heart.
Yeah.
Sometimes you wonder what it could have done.
That's where I want to go is Tuscany.
Everybody want to go to Tuscany. It's like a New York State. Why don't you go to Calabria? It's beautiful there. But really, I'm very happy over here. I got everything. I got a beautiful house. I got a beautiful wife, nice son, and I got lots of friends. I mean, I got everything. You're looking good, Ralph. So are you, honey, okay? I just turned 75. God bless you. Look like I'm still working out. Like I say, at the end of the day, when you I go in the back room, wash my hands. Wow, another good day. And thank God everything went smooth.